In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Semrush for SEO. Semrush is a powerful tool that can significantly enhance your SEO strategies, helping you to improve your website's visibility and performance in search engines. Let's dive into the step-by-step process of utilizing this tool to its fullest potential. First up, you'll want to access Semrush's main website and log in. If you don't have an account yet, creating one is simple and straightforward, opening up the vast array of SEO tools at your disposal. Once you're in, you'll find yourself at the dashboard, the central hub from which you can conduct all your SEO activities. Next, let's conduct a site audit. The site audit tool is invaluable for identifying issues that might prevent your site from achieving optimal rankings. By running an audit, you can uncover and fix issues such as broken links, slow loading pages, and other technical SEO hitches. These insights enhance your website's health, ensuring that users have a seamless experience. Now that your site is in good shape, focus on keyword research. This feature helps you unearth the keywords that your target audience is searching for. Start by entering terms relevant to your business, and let Semrush guide you through a wealth of data on search volume, keyword difficulty, and potential ranking opportunities. This research is key to crafting content that resonates with your audience and draws traffic to your site. Once you have your keywords, it's time to see how your competitors are doing with competitor analysis. By investigating keywords and strategies your competitors are using, you can identify gaps in your own approach and devise tactics to outperform them. This insight dives deeper into the competitive landscape of your niche, offering you a strategic advantage. With the competitors in mind, you'll want to keep track of how your keywords are performing over time. The keyword ranking tracking feature does just that, allowing you to monitor which keywords are driving the most traffic and which ones need a bit more attention. The real-time insights are perfect for refining and adapting your strategy as you progress. In addition to keywords, backlinks play a crucial role in SEO. Semrush's backlink analysis tool helps identify who is linking to your site and the quality of those backlinks. By examining this, you can understand the authority and credibility of your site and pinpoint areas where you might need more quality backlinks to boost your rankings. Lastly, let's not forget content optimization. Content is king, and Semrush helps ensure your content is perfectly optimized. By providing recommendations for improvements in readability, keyword usage, and structure, this tool can significantly enhance the quality of your content, making it both user-friendly and search engine-friendly. So, that wraps up our guide on how to use Semrush for SEO. By leveraging site audits, engaging in keyword and competitor research, tracking rankings, analyzing backlinks, and optimizing content, you can take your SEO efforts to new heights. Happy optimizing, and see you next time.